By now, you know the important role you play in keeping your organization's human firewall strong and the tactics cybercriminals use to try and break through it. But even the strongest defenses can falter, and when they do, what happens in the next few minutes can mean the difference between a contained incident and a total disaster. Most people realize something's wrong within seconds of clicking a malicious link. The website looks off, or their computer starts acting strange. They might panic, close the browser, and hope no one notices. Unfortunately, that's the worst thing they could do. Ignoring the problem won't make it go away. Instead, it gives malware time to spread, attackers time to infiltrate systems or steal data, and time for a simple mistake to become a huge problem. If this ever happens to you, follow these steps. Step 1, pause and document. Instead of panic clicking to undo what's been done, pause, take a breath, and take notice. Don't interact with anything else on the page or enter any more information. Make a note of what you clicked on and when. Don't delete the email, don't restart your computer, and don't try to fix it yourself. Step 2, reach out to your IT team immediately. You might feel embarrassed, unsure if it was actually an incident, or worried about getting in trouble, but delaying can make the situation worse. Let them know what happened, when it happened, and what happened next. And they can walk you through their protocol, which will likely include disconnecting from the network. Be sure to take a moment after this training to familiarize yourself with your organization's incident response process, so that if and when an emergency does happen, you know exactly who to contact. Step 3, protect your accounts. If you entered your login credentials on a malicious site, change your password as soon as possible for that account and any other account that may use the same or a similar password. And be sure to enable multi-factor authentication, or MFA, for another layer of protection. Mistakes do happen, but what matters most is how you respond. Honesty and quick reporting allow your organization to handle containing, recovering from, and investigating the incident more effectively. Once everything has settled, take part in the post-incident review. Understanding what went wrong helps everyone strengthen defenses and prevent future breaches. And share what you've learned with your colleagues in order to build a stronger, smarter human firewall.